Beretta, officially known as Fabbrica d'Armi Pietro Beretta, stands as a testament to resilience, innovation, and the enduring legacy of craftsmanship. Holding the title of the oldest firearms manufacturer in the world, it has played a crucial role in shaping the history of weaponry and industrial excellence. Its story began over 500 years ago in Gardone Val Trompia, a picturesque village nestled in the northern Italian Alps, an area renowned for its rich tradition in metalworking and artisanal production. The company's illustrious history can be traced back to 1526, when Bartolomeo Beretta, a skilled local gunsmith, received a groundbreaking commission from the Republic of Venice. Tasked with producing 185 arquebus barrels, Beretta quickly demonstrated his exceptional ability to meet the Republic's high standards for quality and durability. This initial order marked the beginning of Beretta's journey as a trusted supplier of firearm components, laying the foundation for what would become an enduring legacy. Over time, the excellence of Beretta barrels gained widespread recognition, particularly when they were selected for use in the Battle of Lepanto in 1571. This monumental naval clash between the Venetian and Ottoman forces solidified Beretta's reputation as the leader in the production of firearms. For generations, the Beretta family continued to refine their craft, ensuring that their company not only survived but thrived amid the shifting political and economic landscapes of Europe. During the decline of the Venetian Republic in the 18th century, the company faced a downturn as military contracts became scarce. However, this period of uncertainty was short-lived. In 1797, with Napoleon's invasion of Venice, Beretta experienced a remarkable turnaround. The French military, impressed by the superior quality of Beretta's barrels, made the company a preferred supplier for their troops. This recognition not only restored Beretta's financial stability but also significantly enhanced its prestige. After Napoleon's defeat in 1815, Beretta lost its primary client, yet the reputation it had earned allowed the company to secure contracts with other European powers, including the Austrian Empire. By this time, Beretta was diversifying its offerings, producing both rifled and smooth-bore barrels. The latter innovation paved the way for the development of hunting rifles and small-caliber firearms, which would later become signature products for the brand. The true turning point for Beretta came in 1832, when Pietro Antonio Beretta, together with his son Giuseppe, decided to expand the scope of their business. Taking a calculated risk, they registered the company under the name Fabbrica d'Armi Pietro Beretta and shifted their focus to manufacturing complete firearms rather than just components. This strategic move elevated Beretta to a new level of industrial capability and market influence. By 1861, coinciding with Italy's unification, Beretta employed around 130 workers, demonstrating the company's growing significance in the firearms industry. The early 20th century brought further transformation under the leadership of Giuseppe Beretta's son Pietro. Recognizing the need for modernization, Pietro invested heavily in updating the company's facilities. He introduced state-of-the-art machinery and constructed a hydroelectric power plant, which remains operational to this day, providing an efficient and sustainable energy source. These advancements enabled Beretta to remain competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. One of the company's most notable achievements during this period was the creation of the M15 Glisenti 9mm semi-automatic pistol. Designed for the Italian military, this innovative firearm set a new standard for handguns and firmly established Beretta as a global leader in pistol production. During both World Wars, Beretta played a pivotal role in supplying firearms to the Italian military. In World War I, it introduced the M1918 automatic rifle, which proved invaluable during the conflict's final stages. Despite facing challenges in the aftermath of World War II, including a temporary decline in sales, Beretta quickly regained its footing. By capitalizing on its reputation for quality and reliability, the company expanded its reach into new markets and began developing innovative products to meet the demands of a changing world. The 1960s marked the new era of global recognition for Beretta. The company's firearms gained prominence in popular culture, thanks in part to the James Bond franchise. Ian Fleming's novels and the subsequent films featured in the iconic Beretta pistol, further cementing the brand's image as a symbol of precision and sophistication. This exposure opened doors to the lucrative American market, where Beretta's reputation continued to grow. A defining moment came in the 1980s when Beretta 92FS Parabellum 9mm pistol, commonly known as the M9, won a prestigious US military contract. Selected as the standard sidearm for the Pentagon, this achievement catapulted Beretta into the global spotlight and solidified its position as a leading firearms manufacturer. The M9's success underscored Beretta's ability to combine centuries-old craftsmanship with modern engineering, a hallmark of the company's approach. Today, Beretta is more than just a firearms manufacturer. It is the centerpiece of a vast industrial network operating under Beretta Holding, headquartered in Luxembourg. This conglomerate oversees multiple brands and subsidiaries, each contributing to Beretta's legacy of excellence. As it continues to innovate and adapt to new challenges, Beretta remains a shining example of how tradition and innovation can coexist, preserving its rich heritage while shaping the future of the firearms industry. With over 5 centuries of history, Beretta's name is synonymous with quality, precision, and enduring craftsmanship. Today, Beretta is more than just a firearms manufacturer. It represents a symbol of Italian ingenuity and heritage. With over half a millennium of continuous operation, the company has evolved into a global enterprise while staying true to its roots in Gardone Valtrompia. The Beretta Holding Group oversees a network of subsidiaries and brands, producing everything from hunting rifles to military-grade weaponry, and even luxury accessories. The company's commitment to quality, innovation, and tradition has allowed it to thrive in an ever-changing world, serving not just military and law enforcement but also enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. As Beretta continues to expand its global footprint, it serves as a powerful reminder of how family, passion, and craftsmanship can build an enduring legacy. Thank you for taking the time to explore the remarkable history of Beretta with us today. If you enjoyed this video and want to dive deeper into stories of innovation, legacy, and craftsmanship, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.